Hello everyone and welcome back to BapsHockey. Today I want to talk about skill development. Skill, as you know, is at an all-time high. You see it in the NHL. Players are more skilled than ever. You see kids coming up, they have all these skill sets. They can do some amazing things on the ice. But this has led to the perception though, that if you develop enough skill in a player, they'll become elite. However, what you don't see is two types of players have developed because of this way of development. You have the great practice player and you have the drone player. A great practice player is someone that's super skilled but can't apply it in a game. They're really good in front of the camera for Instagram, but they're just invisible when it comes to game time. The drone player is a player that makes very little mistakes, is simple, but never really impacts the game. One can't connect brain to body and translate their skills into the game, and the other is paralyzed by fear. These are the two opposites of the elite NHL player. How do you swing into that sweet spot between these two opposites? Develop your hockey IQ. How can you start? Watch hockey. It's that simple, and it's free. With the constant rise in kids playing more video games, it's no surprise that players have low hockey IQ. They just don't watch enough hockey. Now, I'm not saying don't play your video games and go out and have fun. I'm just saying we need to start watching more hockey. We need to make watching hockey a habit so we can start developing hockey IQ, start understanding the underlying principles in the game so that you can open up your game, be more creative, connect your skills to your game so you can become an impact in the game. Simply go on YouTube, look up free NHL game, and you'll have over 200 games you can watch. You don't even need to buy the NHL package. Now, when you're ready for a more deliberate approach to developing hockey IQ, the IQGame course is here for you. But for now, I challenge you to start watching more hockey. I keep telling people, I keep telling players, watch more hockey. That's the challenge today. I want you to start watching hockey, develop that hockey IQ, update that software, and get your IQ to that next level.